I've been doing a high protein diet and it's messing up my gut. Do you have any suggestions?
Yeah, so the problem with a high protein diet, so first of all, what we mean by high might not actually be in the range that is shown to be optimal for health. So there's a lot of recommendations online to eat 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. That's not really where the science is. The science is more like 0.5 gram to maybe 3/4 of a gram per pound of body weight as being the optimal range for supporting healthy body composition, which then improves metabolic health, which then like downstream can improve health outcomes. And additionally, um, preserving muscle function. So like avoiding things like sarcopenia as we age, which increases risk of frailty. So we don't need to be all the way up at 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. And the issue that I have with that recommendation, I mean, first, it's very like weight loss centered, not health centered. Second, it's not where the science is. But third, when you are aiming for that much protein every single day, you are displacing other nutritionally important foods. And one of the things that tends to suffer is your fiber containing foods. So we're eating more protein foods at the expense of fiber foods. And that is likely contributing to the gut health challenges is just like what you're not eating because you're eating so much protein. So the first thing I would recommend is looking at your fiber containing foods. There are foods that are good sources of protein and fiber, like legumes, like lentils, chickpeas, and beans. Like whole soy products like edamame or soy nuts or tempeh will have both. You can get pasta made out of a lot of different legumes, lentils, chickpeas, soybeans, right? Edamame. You can get pasta that kind of hits the starchy button, but actually also has all that fiber and protein. So I would look at that and look at other foods that are really important for supporting gut health. So, are you getting healthy fats like omega-3s and olive oil are important for supporting a healthy community of bacteria in our digestive tracts. Phytonutrients are really important. We're getting that from fruits and vegetables and legumes and nuts and seeds. And what is the overall balance? So are protein foods pushing out some of these other foods? If the answer is no, then or that this adjustment doesn't help, this is definitely something to talk to a doctor about because there could be some kind of other underlying thing that's going on, right? So if we're eating a lot of meat to get our protein, that tends to be higher in fat. If we've got gallbladder issues, that could cause GI problems, right? So even if the gallbladder is just like meh, increasing that protein and fat intake could potentially cause some digestive symptoms due to gallbladder issues. You could have increased symptoms due to a stomach ulcer, for example. So also there's a part of this that like if you're having GI symptoms, that is a good thing to mention to your doctor. It could be that it's just the diet balance has skewed too far and it needs to be brought back into more moderation. But it also could be that that has uncovered something, an underlying pathology that you want to have diagnosed and treated.